In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in Outlook 2025. Whether you're new to Outlook or just want to customize your calendar view to suit your preferences, this guide will take you through the process, step by step, so you can have your Outlook display dates and times exactly the way you want them. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily find it by visiting the official Microsoft website and navigating to the Outlook section. Outlook is a powerful tool for managing emails, calendars, and tasks, and customizing your date and time format can help streamline your experience. Once Outlook is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see a Sign In option there. Click on this button. It's important because signing in will allow you to access all of your personalized settings and make the necessary changes. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but if you already have one, just proceed to enter your email and password when prompted. This step ensures that you're accessing your personalized environment where all your changes will be saved. After you've successfully signed in, your next move will be to click on the settings icon. Again, you'll find this in the top right corner of the screen. This small gear icon is like your gateway to a world of customization options in Outlook. Clicking it will open a menu where you can start tailoring your user experience. Within the settings menu, look for a section labeled General. Give it a click. This section contains various options that are essential for setting up your Outlook to your liking. The General tab is vital because it contains the date and time settings that we're going to modify. Now that you're in the General settings, you'll see options to select your preferred date and time format. Outlook offers various formats, and you can pick the one that best serves your needs. For instance, you might prefer using a 24-hour clock rather than a 12-hour one, or you might want dates displayed in a day, month, year order instead of month, day, year, depending on where you are in the world or your personal preferences. After making your selections, take a moment to review them before saving any changes. Ensuring that you've chosen the right formats is crucial because you'll be seeing them every day, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize how dates and times are displayed in Outlook, enhancing your efficiency and making your daily tasks a little more pleasant. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.